how to enable or disable hearing aid compatibility on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, now scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on hearing enhancements. And in here, tap on hearing aid support. At the top here, tap on hearing aid compatibility. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And it said here, adjust your phone's audio so it works better with hearing aids. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.